Browser bar. Up here we have the browser bar. This is the browser bar crossed here. We can grab hold of it with our left mouse and we can move it to anywhere we want. Okay. Now, the browser bar controls the design sequence when we're in the design. So it's going to have all our things like our sketches, our extrusions, etc. Different parts are going to be in here while we're creating the part. This browser bar will look different depending on what workspace we're in. So if we're in the animation space, it's going to control all the tools in which we use to animate. So it controls all the things underneath it. So this is the browser bar. It's going to look different. It can be moved, it can be docked, etc. And we do want to see this. All right, this is very helpful in our design of our product.